Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can create a eBay sellers account. So first of all, let me just make this clear that you can't make like a separate sellers account. There's no category such as that, but you basically turn your eBay account, your normal eBay account, into a sellers account by listing products to sell and stuff like that. So if you are into if that is what you are searching for, feel free to watch this video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go to any browser you want and go to www.ebay.com. Finally, once you are on eBay, you're going to be on this page. On the top left, there's going to be a sign in or register button. I've already registered. If you don't know how to register, I've already made a video on the past. Go, feel free to watch that. And then I'm going to be signing in right now. And finally, once you have signed in into your eBay account, all you have to do is click on this sell button on the top right, as you can see. Finally, once you have done that, it basically asks you what you are selling. Just first of all, if you don't have anything that you know you're selling, I'll give you a tip that just make a random dummy product, just so you get the feel of how the platform works. So go ahead and write anything. Let's just say big pen, because it's alright, and I'm gonna click on get started. And as you can see, there are going to be similar products as well, so it's just going to be showing you other sellers who are going to sell this as well. If you're gonna sell a similar product, like if this is the exact pen or you're gonna sell, let's just say for example, you just click on select, or if it is different, then go down and click on continue without selecting. And once you have done that, as you can see, it's going to basically ask you to make a listing of that product. All you have to do is enter the title of the pen, the subtitle, which is basically the price, the categories right here, and so if your product has other names as well, you can basically write it down here so people will identify it even easier. And then condition right here, so if it's new, an open box or whatever. Then there are photos. You can add photos of the pen, the box you're gonna sell, and basically the brand, as you can see. And here's the description. And then finally, how many days you're going to be keeping it on for sale. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if I'm just going to be going back and finally go back to this page, and I'm just going to be selecting a random one, as you can see. And once you have done that, go ahead and click on list item. And finally, you will be creating a list of this product to sell on eBay. So if you thought this video is informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.